Do you want to convert your low resolution images into high resolution images? Then this video is perfect for all of you. Today we will learn how you can upscale your low resolution images into high resolution. So let's get started. You just have to go to Google and search upscale and just have to click on the first website from where you can download upscale software. After that, install upscale software and then you have to open upscale software. Upscale software is basically an AI image enhancer. First of all, we will discuss the settings. So you just have to click on the settings, just scroll it down and you can see that this is the one option that we can see upscale theme. You just have to follow by default settings, then save image as. You have three options if you want to save into PNG, JPG or web. If you want to upscale JPG image, then you have to check this JPG option. After that, you have an option custom output width. Use a custom width for the output images. The height will be adjusted automatically. I will recommend please turn it off as it is. Image compression 0%. Leave the setting as it is. And then you have an option save output folder. If enabled, the output folder will be remembered between sessions. I'm just going to off it, right? Okay, and all right, then all the settings should be by default. All right, and if you want to reset, just click on the reset upscale. And now you just have to go to back upscaling. And then you have a first option, step 1. So the step 1 is to select the image. I have a low resolution image. If you can see that this image have a noise, so I want to remove the noise and want to upscale it. All right, so go to back upscale and just select your image. And then you have an option of step 2. From step 2, you can select the model. I will recommend to choose general photo fast real SGen. Basically, this upscale software need GPU accelerator because it's a heavy software and graphic card must be required. All right, and then you have an option for double scaling. Double scaling, what does it mean? Enable this option to run upscaling twice on an image. Note that this may cause a significant increase in processing time and possibly performance issues for scaling greater than 4x. This saying that if you want to increase your image up to 4x scale, then you must have a GPU accelerator or a graphic card because it will took much time for processing. Right now we are not going to check it. Okay, leave it as it is. Then you have an option for image scale. Alright, this is very important thing. If you want to increase the image size manually, if you want to increase 4x, 5x, 10x, and even you can increase 16x. Note that when you will increase the image scale value, then what will be the disadvantage? Your processing speed will be slow and it also needs your GPU accelerator memory. Right now we are going to just decrease it like for 2x, and the step 3 is defaults to image path. So I want to save it image with a default directory. Set output folder, you can select by, I just selected the folder 3, right? Select folder and then you have to click on upscale. It will took a little bit time, a few seconds. Okay, and then it's done. So you can see that on the left side you can see my image have a noise and the grains, but on the right side after processing you can see I have a very smooth and clear image. All right, you can see the difference. Even you can see on my clothes there is a much grain and noise, but from the right side you can see it's a smooth. Okay, basically what upscale software does, it will increase the number of pixels in your image. This is the concept behind this software. And now you can see my image has a full resolution. Okay, you can see my face is very clear, my dress is clear. Okay, and you can see the image size is now 832 KB and the original image size is 388 KB. So it means that when you will increase the size of an image, automatically the file size will also be increased. I will recommend if you want to upscale an image, then you must have to follow the value from 2x to 10x or 8x. 8x is enough. Okay, now there is another option in upscaling that you can upscale lot of images at a time. I mean, this is option for batch upscale. Batch upscale is forward. This will let you upscale all files in a folder at once, right? If you want to increase your file size once at a time, let me show you. If I have this image, let me copy it and paste. Okay, all right. Now I have 8 images in a folder. I want to batch it once at a time. So you just have to go to upscaling and just on the option for batch upscaling, select the folder that you want to batch. Like I want to this folder 3, and from the step 2 you just have to select the model, and I selected as the last one. Then select the image scale value. I will select 2x. You just have to set output folder, and I am going to create the folder in it. This is my output folder, and just have to upscaling. So this will took much time because you are going to upscale upscale number of images, and this will took a little bit time. So you can see that my progress is going. So it's 3% done, and after 100% done it will be done, and you can see it's done. Alright, and now you have to click on the folder. Then you can see that I have increased the size of an image. I have upscale 8 images at a time. So this is the batch option that you can do if you want to increase number of images at a time. This is the video. I hope you would like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new. Also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you in next video.